Imagine a world where your shampoo isn't made by humans, but entirely by autonomous robots and smart machines. From wild herbs like Amla, Shikakai, and hibiscus grown deep in nature, to a perfectly sealed bottle awaiting on the supermarket shelf, every step is completed without human hands. Once upon a time, when the green earth was adored with medicinal plants, the human desire for purity was strong. A shampoo factory, a symbol of that purity, emerged as a dreamland where nature and technology blended seamlessly. This story is about that factory, where without any animal touch and solely with the aid of automated machines, the entire journey of shampoo from raw material to the supermarket shelf is completed. On the edge of a deep forest lies a vast agricultural field. Rows of medicinal plants like shikakai, Retha, Amla, hibiscus, and fenugreek thrive there. As the first light of dawn touches the earth, the silence is broken by the epitome of modern technology, robotic harvesters entering the field. Their sensitive sensors identify each plant individually, gently collecting only the mature and perfect parts. Without any human intervention, these robots, with their powerful yet delicate arms, cut the plants and place them into small baskets. These baskets are then automatically loaded onto an electric truck, which begins its journey towards the factory. The truck runs on eco-friendly fuel, sending all route information to a central computer to ensure timely arrival at the factory. This entire process is so well organized that there is no delay even for a moment. Upon reaching the factory, automated robotic arms carefully unload the raw materials from the trolleys and place them onto a long automated conveyor belt. The belt transports them directly to a large washing chamber where high-pressure purified water and ultrasonic waves are used to thoroughly clean each component. No dust or germs can remain there. This process ensures that no unwanted particles enter the shampoo. After cleaning, the raw materials enter an automated dryer. There, under controlled temperature and airflow, they are gently dried to preserve their natural properties. Excess moisture is removed without damaging the ingredients. Next, a sophisticated shredder machine converts these dried components into extremely fine powder. These powders are then transferred through a sealed pipeline to the next stage, where the main shampoo mixture will be prepared. This is the most crucial stage of shampoo production. The finely powdered natural ingredients are deposited into large stainless steel mixing tanks. In these tanks, robotic arms accurately add other shampoo ingredients, such as natural surfactants derived from coconut oil, conditioning agents to soften hair, and pleasant fragrances. A central computer system meticulously controls the quantity of each ingredient, the mixing speed, temperature, and pressure. Here, the correct consistency, pH level, and viscosity of the shampoo are ensured. Laser sensors continuously monitor every aspect of the mixture. The mixing continues for a specific duration until a smooth, thick, and perfectly homogeneous shampoo mixture is created. This is the stage before the shampoo takes its final form. The prepared shampoo mixture is transferred via an automated pipeline to the filling station. At this station, hundreds of empty bottles move in a line on a conveyor belt. High-speed automatic filling machines precisely fill each bottle with shampoo. Not a single drop is wasted. As soon as the bottles are filled, they are sent to an automated capping machine, where robotic arms securely cap each bottle. Then comes the labeling station. Advanced labeling machines attach beautiful and attractive labels, including the brand logo, product details, and usage instructions, to each bottle. This entire process is monitored by cameras. Afterwards, the shampoo bottles enter a special quality control chamber. Here, high-resolution cameras and optical sensors scan each bottle to check the filling volume, label accuracy, and for any bottle defects. If any defect is detected, that bottle is automatically removed from the line and sent for reprocessing. Bottles that pass all tests are sent to the subsequent packaging stage. After quality control, the shampoo bottles enter the packaging unit. Here, robotic arms carefully pick up each bottle and arrange them into pre-made carton boxes. These boxes are automatically sealed and a unique barcode is attached. This barcode serves as a digital identity for each box. The packed boxes are then transported by a long automated conveyor belt to the vast warehouse. The warehouse is fully automated and equipped with state-of-the-art technology. There is no human presence here. Automated forklifts and robotic cranes scan the box barcodes and precisely store them on high shelves in the warehouse. The warehouse's temperature and humidity are controlled, preserving the product's quality. A central computer system tracks the location, quantity, and expiration date of each box. This ensures that any product can be quickly located when needed. When an order for shampoo comes from a supermarket, the warehouse's computer system automatically processes that order. Robotic forklifts precisely retrieve the necessary boxes from the warehouse and load them onto delivery trucks. These trucks are also autonomously driven and take the fastest routes to the supermarkets via GPS systems. The loading and unloading process for each truck is also automated. Upon reaching the supermarket, robots unload the boxes and place them in the store's storage area. Then, automated display robots pick up the shampoo bottles and neatly arrange them on the supermarket shelves. These robots monitor the shelf stock levels and automatically refill the shelves with new shampoo whenever a shelf starts to empty. In this way, raw materials collected from the depths of nature, processed within a state-of-the-art factory, and delivered through automated distribution reach the supermarket shelves without any animal intervention, where customers can find the best shampoo for their daily care. This entire journey is possible in just 5 minutes, an extraordinary example of modern technology. And yes, if the magic of this shampoo makes your hair shiny too, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more exciting adventures in the next story, because your encouragement makes our stories shampoo foam up.